Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I came up with a new project called Train Ticket Booking. This is the application which is for the train lovers who wants to take a journey in the train. So many people prefer to travel by train only. So all the ticket counters are crowded, especially during the holiday seasons. At that time, the distribution of tickets was very hard. For this, we have developed a website called Train Ticket Booking. In this website, it helps the customer to book the tickets online before the journey. In our project, we have two modules like admin and customer. I just want to show you the flow of this project. So this is the flow chart of this project. So here the admin will log in with the predefined email and password. After the login, the admin will add the train compartments and schedules. The added train compartment schedules can also be viewed by the admin. Admin can also view the bookings of the customer. Now the customer will register into the application and log in with the registered email and password. After login into the application, he will view the trains and schedules which are added by the admin. Now, the customer will search the trains and select the coach and class type. After selecting the coach and class type, the customer will book the tickets and the booked tickets can be seen in the view bookings, and he can also cancel the bookings whether if he had any reason to cancel the booking. So this is the flowchart. Now I'm getting into the application. This is the admin page where we log in with the predefined email and password. So I'm giving the email and password. So this is the home page where admin will add the train. So I'm adding the train name as Godavari and train number. Click on add button. So the train was added successful and the added trains can be seen in the view train. Here we Here, the admin can add the compartment by clicking on Add Compartment. Choose the train, click compartment name, enter number of seats, class type, and price per seat. Click on Add button. Now the compartment was added successful. In View Train, we can see the compartments that are added to this train. Now we will add a schedule to this train. Click on Add Schedule, select the start date and end date from station to station, date, and platform. Click on Add button. Now the schedule was added to this train. We can see the added schedule in the view schedules. So this is the view schedules, and here the admin can search the train by giving the train name, and he can search by source, destination, and date. And the admin can view the layout by clicking on view layout button. So this is the view layout, and here the admin can see the view bookings. Up to now the customer has not selected any bookings. So that's why there are no bookings. Now I'm registered as a customer. Give the customer name, customer email, customer phone number, password, gender, and age. Click on register. Now the customer was registered successful. With the registered email and password, the customer will log into the application. Soon, the customer will view the trains and see the schedule for this train. Now, the customer will book the ticket for this train, selecting the compartment, selecting the class type and price seat. Click on book button to book a ticket. Select the number of tickets that he required. I'm selecting the three seats and click on book now. Just give the passenger name, age, and gender. And gender. And give the card type, holder name. Card number should be exactly 16 numbers. And give the expiry date and CVV. Click on pay button. Now the payment was successful. The customer can see the bookings in the view bookings. Here he can cancel the book tickets, or customer can see the payment details. We can see that passenger name, age, gender, seat numbers allotted, and date. Now the admin will get into the action. In view trains, click on view schedules, click on view layout. Now we can see that the three seats are booked. In this train, we have only still two seats. The admin can view the bookings of these three seats. So he can also view the payment details here. Yeah, this is the perspective of this application. Hope you guys understand about the application. Thank you.